Look at my face. I am a monkey. Ooh, ah. You scared him. Stop making those ugly faces. Did you hear that? What was that noise? So loud. He pooped. The smell is terrible. I cannot breathe. I am opening it. Be brave. Stand back, Lola. Sing a song, Lola. Sing softly. Rockabye, baby! Sleep right now! Close your eyes! That is too loud! You scared him! Stop the noise!
I must go now. Be good, girls. Please help Mom.
Have a safe trip, Dad. We will miss you. Bring me a toy. Come back soon. Goodbye, Dad.
Call me later. I am so tired. Need sleep. The baby cried all night. I am exhausted.
Go to sleep, Mom. We are here. Trust us. We are super nannies. It is easy. Sleep.
Thank you, girls. You are sweet. Good night.
Mom is sleeping. We are the bosses now. Hello, little baby. I am your sister. Smile. Look at him. He is so cute. I love him. He lost his pacifier. Find it fast. Hurry. It is very dirty. We must wash it. Wait here. He is unhappy. Do not cry. I am right here. Look at my face. I am a monkey. Ooh, ah. You scared him. Stop making those ugly faces.
It is okay, baby. Do not cry. I got you.
Ouch. He is pulling my hair. It hurts.
Sit right here. Play with your toys. Good boy.
Look at him. He is moving. He is on his tummy. He is crawling. He is too fast. Catch him now. Gotcha. You cannot go there. It is not safe. We need a wall. Get the pillows. Build a fort. The fort is ready. He cannot escape. Great job. Oh my gosh! He broke the wall! He is so strong! I will block him. You cannot pass. Stop there!
He is crawling over me. He is a little tank. You are a wild baby. No more crawling. Time out.
Did you hear that? What was that noise? so loud. Oh no, I smell something bad. It is very stinky. He pooped. The smell is terrible. I cannot breathe. We must change the diaper. Get the masks. Hurry. Put these on. Protect your nose. What is this? We are ready. I look silly. But it works. I smell nothing.
He is laughing at us. He thinks it is a game.
I am opening it. Be brave. Stand back, Lola. Watch out! Flying wipes. They are everywhere. Ba-ba-ba. Grab the wipes. Quick! This baby is so active. The bad diaper is gone. Let's put a clean one. I have the baby powder. It smells nice. Ready? He took the bottle. Be careful. Get it back. He is squeezing it. Stop him. Oh no, too late. Oh my gosh. It is everywhere. I cannot see. We look like snowmen. My hair is white. Oops. He sneezed. Get the powder away. Use a towel. This is a big mess. Mom will be so mad. Sorry. The new diaper is on. He is clean now. Finally. He is rubbing his eyes. He is sleepy. Nap time. I will rock him. Sing a song, Lola. Sing softly. Rock-a-bye, baby! Sleep right now! Close your eyes! That is too loud! You scared him! Stop the noise! I am sorry. Please do not cry. I will be quiet.
Look at me. I am dancing. It is a funny dance.
Oh, I stepped on a block. I am falling. Watch out!
Are you okay? That was scary. You are a hero.
I am fine. The baby is safe. My back hurts a bit. He likes the jump. He is smiling again. Crazy baby.
Being a nanny is hard. I am exhausted. So tired. Look at this room. It is a disaster. What a day.
He is yawning. He is really sleepy now. Shush. Here is the bottle. Feed him slowly. Good boy. He is drinking his milk. So peaceful. Beautiful.
Oops. I dropped the box. It is so loud. My bad.
Oh no! He is awake again! We failed! Start over! What is going on here? Why is he crying? Oh my. Why is everything white? You look like snowmen.
We tried to help, but we made a mess. Sorry, Mom. We changed the diaper. The powder exploded. Sorry.
It is okay, girls. You did your best. I got him. Shh, baby. Mommy is here. Do not cry. Sleep now.
Wow. He stopped crying so fast. You are magic.
Babies need quiet time. Gentle moves. No noises.
Now I understand. Being a mom is hard work. Wow. Thank you, Mom. You are the real super nanny.
He is dreaming. Let him sleep. Now we must clean.
I will get the vacuum, Lola. Grab the broom. Let's go. I am sweeping the powder. It is everywhere. So white.
Your faces are clean now. No more snowmen. Good job.
The room is perfect again. We are a great team. I love you, Mom. Next time, I will just watch.